A lot of people want to tune their brand new BMWs, especially on the G series platform, because they've seen the potential, but they are worried about the warranty. This is why Evolve have been working in the background to offer our own tuning packages with our own warranty. In this video, we're going to tune our brand new G87 M2, discuss the results and let you know more about our warranty. With our stage 1 ECU tune loaded into the car, let's take a look at the dyno results. As you can see, the blue line is stock and the car is making 492 horsepower and 438 foot-pounds of torque. And the orange line is with our stage 1 ECU remap, and that is now making 601 horsepower and 507 foot-pounds of torque. And you can see that torque is maintained throughout the majority of the power curve. We have factored the torque in a little bit towards 3,500 RPM, and that actually matches the OEM CSL graph, which is the green line. So essentially we've matched the CSL power up till 6,000, and then we've given the M2 a little bit more at the top end, and the low end power has been restricted because the car is rear wheel drive to help manage the torque. So with the graph looking pretty impressive for just a stage 1 tune and everything else stock, let's take the car for a drive and see what it's like. So as you may know, we have put a lot of the CSL components into the suspension of this car, like the engine mounts, the gearbox mount, the front hubs, and then align the car to CSL specifications along with the MSS hybrid suspension. So handling wise, it's very sharp and feels like a CSL, and it was just lacking a little bit in the power department. And now with the power essentially matching the CSL up to 6,000 RPM and then making around 20 more horsepower at the top end, it's very sprightly and pretty much feels like an M4 CSL in a slightly smaller chassis. So this car does have the track pack from factory, so it came fitted with Cup 2 tyres. The M4 CSL has PS4S on it, so we switched over to the same tyres on this car just so we had a accurate back-to-back on the dyno and also with its road manners. And I have to say, even with the PS4S in minus 0.5 conditions, they actually behave pretty well. But now the M2 just has that little bit of extra power to spice things up a little bit. Just over 500 foot-pound of torque is actually pretty handy in one of these things. So with the power taken care of, I did mention at the beginning of this video that we would be launching a warranty with our tuning. So the first car we're launching it with is the S58 engined M2 and also the M3 and M4. And the way the warranty works is essentially it's more expensive than the standard tuning that we do, but it does have mechanical warranty that we are backing ourselves. So you tune the car, and if you have any issues with the car where BMW warranty is not going to cover it because you've tuned your car, essentially we as Evolve will cover that. Now this has been worked on for the last year or so. A lot of customers have been asking us to do our own warranty on the tuning because there is a couple of companies in America that do it, but no one offers it over here. So we thought, as we've been in the business for such a long time and we're really confident with our tuning on this new platform, that we would launch it on this car. And we will also be looking to launch it on other BMW engines as time progresses. If you want any more details on this, you need to head over to our website, and you can also find the full terms and conditions of the warranty on there, including the pricing. But we're hoping it's going to give people that extra little peace of mind to tune the car, have a bit more fun, and be safe in the knowledge that if there is any mechanical breakdown, that Evolve will cover that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please remember to smash that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to join the conversation, please drop a comment below and we'll try our best to respond to you. If you want to watch more of this project, you can do so over here. If you want to watch what YouTube thinks you might like from our other content, you can do so over here.